Hi, my name is Mukund Patil. I'm a computer engineer. I work in IT company. I came for this workshop to understand what are the blocking beliefs that are preventing me to achieve what I want to achieve. And I read a lot about beliefs and how to clear them. But in this workshop, I actually get to do those things. We wrote many things on paper, and we understood what are the conflicting beliefs that we have. The movie that was shown during the session, the question answer session, that was really helpful to understand, many aspects of our problems and how to correct them. Uh, After the movie session on money management, usually we just think about earning money, but we don't know if we earn it actually, and how we manage it. So that was something really a value addition. It taught us a lot about how to save, for what goal we should save, how much money, the 6 jars and all. So that was really helpful, very informative session. And after that, just to make sure we don't forget what are our goals, we were asked to create the vision boards. And that was something I was trying to struggle for at least a year now. Because I learned this in network marketing that you need to post your dreams and all, but I never did that. Here in this workshop, Honey actually make us do it, and that was really nice. So this is really a very useful workshop. I think it was totally worth that I came here. So I thank Honey, and also thank Meenakshi for coordinating all the
Will you
things.
recommend it to somebody and why?
Definitely, I will recommend this. I have already recommended this to many people, but now I can say with conviction that yes, it is totally worth, and what exactly is involved. So definitely, thank you so much.
Thank you.